August heat might tempt you to give up on the garden. The sun beats down relentlessly, and the soil can feel dry and unyielding. Many gardeners look at their wilting plants and think it's time to take a break, to let the garden rest until cooler days return. But in reality, this is a crucial moment, a turning point in the gardening year. While it's easy to feel discouraged by the intense summer heat, it's important to remember that the garden story doesn't end here. In fact, this is where the next chapter begins. Instead of packing away your tools, consider this. August is actually the perfect time to plant for the months ahead. The soil is still warm, which helps seeds germinate quickly, and the days, though hot, are gradually getting shorter, creating ideal conditions for many crops to establish strong roots before the chill of autumn sets in. By sowing seeds now, you're setting the stage for a garden that will continue to provide long after summer's heat has faded. Growing your own food now is a quiet act of resilience, a way to bring certainty to uncertain times. In a world where so much feels unpredictable, tending to your garden is a grounding ritual. Each seed you plant is a small promise to yourself and your loved ones that you'll have fresh, nourishing food in the weeks and months to come. It's not just about the harvest, it's about cultivating hope, self-reliance, and a deeper connection to the rhythms of nature. August is a pivotal point in the gardening year. What you sow now will feed you well into autumn and even winter. Think of it as an investment in your future meals. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and chard thrive when sown in late summer, as do root vegetables such as carrots, beets, and turnips. These crops will mature as the weather cools, providing you with a steady supply of fresh produce when supermarket shelves may be less reliable, or when you crave the taste of something homegrown. The weather is unpredictable, but that only makes homegrown food more important. Sudden storms, unexpected droughts, or early frosts can all impact what's available at the store. By growing your own, you create a buffer against these uncertainties. You learn to adapt, to work with the elements, and to appreciate the resilience of plants that can thrive even when conditions are less than perfect. By sowing wisely, you can build a well-stocked larder and a sense of security, whatever the forecast. Preserving your harvest, whether by canning, freezing, or drying, means you'll have access to the flavors of summer and autumn even in the depths of winter. Each jar or basket of homegrown produce is a reminder of your efforts and foresight, and a source of comfort when the days grow short and cold. Let's look at what you can plant now for a thriving, resilient garden. With a little planning and effort, your late summer sowing can yield a bounty that sustains you through the changing seasons. Whether you're an experienced gardener or just starting out, now is the time to dig in, plant with intention, and watch your garden and your confidence grow. Spinach is the unsung hero of late summer gardens, quietly taking center stage just as many other crops begin to fade. While tomatoes and beans may be winding down, spinach is just getting started, ready to fill your beds with vibrant green leaves and a burst of fresh flavor. It's a crop that often goes unnoticed, but for those in the know, spinach is a true garden stalwart, reliable, resilient, and rewarding. As the days shorten and the nights grow cooler, spinach truly comes into its own. Unlike many heat-loving vegetables, spinach thrives in the crisp air of autumn, its leaves growing sweeter and more tender with each chilly night. The morning dew clings to its emerald leaves, a sign of the plant's preference for cool, moist conditions. One of spinach's greatest advantages is its speed. It germinates quickly, often within a week, making it perfect for impatient gardeners eager to see results. Watching those tiny seedlings push through the soil is a small thrill, a promise of harvest to come. Even if you're starting late in the season, spinach gives you a second chance to fill your garden with life. Sown now, spinach grows lush and leafy, relishing the first chills of autumn. The plants respond to the cooler temperatures by producing thick, succulent leaves that are perfect for salads, sautés, and smoothies. In raised beds or traditional plots, spinach quickly forms a dense carpet of green, transforming empty spaces into productive patches. To keep your spinach plants producing for weeks on end, harvest the outer leaves regularly. This simple practice encourages the plant to send up new growth, ensuring a continuous supply of tender greens. With just a little attention, you can enjoy multiple harvests from the same plants, stretching your spinach season well into the colder months. When sowing spinach, you have options. Plant seeds in neat rows for easy maintenance, or scatter them in blocks for a more natural look. Keep the soil consistently damp, especially during germination, and consider staggering your sowings every couple of weeks. This way, you'll have a steady supply of fresh leaves rather than a single overwhelming glut. Don't have a garden bed? No problem. Spinach also thrives in containers, making it accessible to anyone with a sunny balcony, patio, or even a windowsill. With just a pot of good soil and regular watering, you can enjoy homegrown greens right outside your door, even as the weather turns chilly. Beyond its ease of growth, spinach packs a serious nutritional punch. It's loaded with iron, vitamins A and C, and a host of antioxidants that support overall health. Adding fresh spinach to your meals is an easy way to boost your diet, and nothing compares to the flavor and texture of leaves picked straight from your own garden. With just a little care, regular watering, occasional feeding, and protection from harsh frosts, spinach bridges the seasons beautifully. It stands as a testament to the rewards of autumn gardening, offering nourishment, beauty, and a sense of accomplishment as the year winds down. So this autumn, let spinach be the stalwart of your plot, and enjoy the bounty it brings. Kale is the backbone of the winter garden, hardy, reliable, and always ready to withstand whatever the season throws its way. When most other vegetables have long since faded, kale stands tall and proud, its deep green leaves unfurling even as the temperatures drop and the days grow short. This remarkable resilience is what makes kale such a favorite among winter gardeners, providing a steady supply of fresh greens when little else is available. But kale isn't just tough, it's also transformed by the cold. When frost settles on its leaves, something magical happens. The plant responds by converting some of its starches into sugars, resulting in a sweeter, more tender leaf. This natural process turns kale into a true winter delicacy, with a flavor that's richer and more complex than at any other time of year. The glistening, frost-kissed leaves are not only beautiful to look at, but also a treat for the palate. To get the most out of your kale crop, timing is key. Sowing seeds in August gives the plants plenty of time to establish strong roots and sturdy stems before the chill of autumn and winter sets in. As the seedlings emerge and grow, they develop the hardiness needed to survive the cold months ahead. Early planting ensures that your kale will be robust and ready to thrive when other crops are winding down. Harvesting kale is a simple pleasure. By picking the lower leaves first and working your way up, you encourage the plant to keep producing new growth. This method allows for a continuous harvest throughout the winter, ensuring you always have fresh, nutritious greens on hand. The more you pick, the more the plant gives back, making kale a truly generous addition to your garden. When sowing, plant seeds about ½ inch deep and give each seedling plenty of space to grow. Crowding can lead to disease in weaker plants. Keep the soil consistently moist, especially during the early stages of growth, and apply a thick layer of mulch. Mulching not only helps retain moisture but also insulates the roots against sudden temperature drops, giving your kale the best possible start. Young kale plants are especially vulnerable to pests like pigeons and cabbage white butterflies. Protect your crop by covering it with netting as soon as the seedlings appear. This simple step can make all the difference, ensuring your kale grows strong and healthy without being nibbled away by hungry visitors. As winter deepens, kale continues to flourish, its leaves soaking up the pale sunlight and developing vibrant hues of green, purple, or even red, depending on the variety. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, kale is not just a resilient plant, it's a nutritional powerhouse that supports your health through the coldest months. In the heart of winter, when the garden seems quiet and still, kale is there, thriving, nourishing, and steadfast. It's a vegetable that truly cares for you, offering sustenance and vitality even on the coldest days. With its tenacity and sweetness, kale is more than just a crop, it's a symbol of hope and abundance in the winter garden. Winter lettuce is a secret weapon for fresh salads in the coldest months. Sow varieties like Winter Gem or Arctic King in August for cold hardy greens. Thinly sow seeds, cover lightly and water gently. Use shade cloth for germination, then protect with cloches or fleece as temperatures drop. Harvest leaves little and often to prolong the season. Winter lettuces thrive in containers too, perfect for patios or windowsills. There's something luxurious about a fresh salad from your garden in midwinter. Cold hardy lettuce is a small rebellion against winter's bleakness. Radishes are the sprinters of the garden. Sow now for harvest in just a few weeks. Scatter seeds thinly, water well, and watch them pop up almost overnight. Stagger sowings for a steady supply and avoid a glut. Keep soil moist and mulch in hot spells to prevent woody roots. Thin seedlings for plump, crisp radishes. Don't forget the edible tops, they add zing to salads and stir-fries. Radishes thrive in containers, making them accessible to all. Try colorful varieties for a cheerful autumn harvest. Beetroot offers both sweet roots and nutritious leaves. Sow in August for double rewards. Choose bolt-resistant varieties and sow seeds an inch apart. Water well for steady root growth and harvest leaves young for salads. Thin seedlings for baby beets, leaving others to mature for winter. Beetroot leaves are a delicious nutrient-rich bonus. Avoid excess nitrogen, enrich soil with compost instead. As autumn cools, roots bulk up and leaves deepen in color. Beetroot can stay in the ground under mulch, ready for winter meals. Sowing spring onions in August means early harvests as winter recedes. Sow seeds shallowly and thinly spaced. They don't need much room. Water well to encourage strong roots before cold sets in. August sowing lets onions establish and overwinter quietly. Protect with cloches or mulch if winters are harsh. Pull young for mild flavor, or let mature for a peppery bite. Stagger sowings for a continuous supply into spring. The first spring onions signal the garden's renewal. Garlic is the ultimate slow food. Plant in late August for next summer's harvest. Break bulbs into cloves. Plant 2 inches deep and 6 inches apart, pointed end up. Garlic loves sun and well-drained soil. Amend heavy ground with grit or compost. Mulch to insulate and protect young shoots. Garlic shrugs off frost and quietly grows roots all winter. Come spring, it surges with green growth, ready for summer harvest. Homegrown garlic is richer in flavor than anything store-bought. It's a lesson in patience and the rewards of forward thinking. Don't forget flowers. Planting blooms in August attracts pollinators and beneficial insects. Choose hardy annuals like calendula, borage, or nasturtiums for late-season color and nectar. Flowers support a balanced ecosystem, helping crops and controlling pests naturally. Sow seeds directly or tuck seedlings among your vegetables. Even a small patch of color lifts spirits as days grow shorter. Flowers make your garden more resilient and productive. Dedicate a corner to pollinators and watch your garden thrive. Flowers weave beauty and biodiversity into your harvest. August isn't a time to wind down. It's a month of vibrant possibility. Sowing now sets the stage for harvest through autumn and winter. Each seed is a promise of fresh, nourishing food, whatever the weather brings. Home gardening is an anchor in uncertain times, offering peace of mind and self-sufficiency. Subscribe for more gardening wisdom and climate-smart growing tips. Let's cultivate resilient gardens together. Let me know if you need further tightening or want to adjust the tone.